About to head to the beach, guys. Trying to see some fish being caught. Some fish being caught at the beach. Alright, guys, we're going ahead all the way down there. That's where all the action happening right there. That's the fish market. Fresh caught fish. About to go find out what all they caught today. My man walking his goat like a dog. Hey. I didn't know that.
Where was it? Shit. Yeah, he's gonna knife it off. A lot of shit going on out here.
Go ahead, bro. They're not playing. You about to stab that man up, man. I'm trying to low-key get contact.
You want to kill me because I think
The net they use is called Ya. So dope, y'all. They working on their boats, fixing their boats. Yeah.
I don't know.
Huh?
They're pulling it out.
What, the boat?
Yeah.
Oh, that's how they get it out? Mm-hmm. Damn, yo, they do a lot of work, yo.
Yeah.
Damn. Well, I may finish for the day on that.
Yeah, most of them are.
I know that boy feel his pants falling, bro. Oh shit! I'm gonna say that it's like stuck in the dirt. Kept big wave body, but I helped out, man. Yeah, it's coming. That one's a good size. Well, not that big. They got their ball for sure. Teamwork make the dream work. They still trying to get things going. About swim. I look at him like she's thinking about it. Big argument over there, yo. Get that shit done. Oh shit, there you go. Whoa, whoa. There you go. I told you they need a big. That's the wave. That's the wave they needed right there. I told you they need a big wave, yo. They should have yanked it up. They missed the wave. Look, he mad. He like, yo, get that shit done. Fuck. I told y'all. He said, yo, this shit's still there. Motherfucker, I told you the wave coming. Get that shit right now, bitch. Charlie. Move that motherfucker. Huh? Minute. Man. Man, like I got a date at 5 o'clock. I gotta go. Oh shit, some Asian people here? Hey, Esther. Asian kids. Oh shit, we got some foreigners in this. got some things up to this bitch. I wanna take.
You wanna? Okay.
I don't know how to do it.
Join them. Just tell them. They'll let you. Yeah. Oh, okay. To push it up. Okay. Nothing. Okay, so they're trying to pull the boat out of the water. Okay. Alright. Okay, go Bismarck. Alright, this shit is real crazy. Yay! Okay, so these guys are setting up. Alright. So he's pulling his own boat. Waiting for the wave. And there it comes. Pull him. Shoe coming.
Oh shit. They jumping ship. They jumping ship. They jumping ship. Oh damn, I think they seen a shark. They jumping ship. Eba. Eba. They said the boat is coming. Yeah. She came in catch a dead fish.